Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Devasis and you are watching Worldwide Programmer. Before starting this tutorial, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about feature of e-commerce. So we have already discussed about e-commerce with its categories in the previous video. Link in the description, check it out. So what is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services on the internet, especially the World Wide Web or WWW. In practice, this term and a newer term e-business are often used interchangeably. For online retail selling, the term e-tailing is sometimes used. The several characteristics of e-commerce are e-tailing on websites with online catalogs, sometimes gathered into a virtual mall, the gathering and use of demographic data through web contacts, electronic data interchange or EDI, the businesses to business exchange of data, email and fax and their use of media for reaching prospects and established customers, business to business buying and selling, the security of business transactions. As a place for direct retail shopping with its 24-hour availability, global reach, the ability to interact and provide custom information and ordering and multimedia prospects, the web is revenue for the world's business. A number of businesses already report considerable success. As early as the middle of 1997, Dell Computers reported orders of $1 million a day. By early 1999, projected e-commerce revenues for business were in the billions of dollars, and stocks of companies deemed most adept at e-commerce were skyrocketing. Although many so-called .com retailers disappeared in the economics shake out of 2000, were retailing at sites such as Amazon.com, CDNow.com and CompuDataOnline.com continues to grow, etc. So what is the market research? In early 1999, it was widely recognized that because of interactive nature of the internet, companies could gather data about prospects and customers as part of taking orders. The issue of whether data was being collected with the knowledge and permission of market subjects had been raised. Microsoft referred to its policy of data collection as profiling, and a proposed standard has been developed that allows internet users to decide who can have what personal information. Market research is the process of determining the viability of a new service or product through research conducted directly with potential customers. Market research helps entrepreneurs make well-informed decisions. Next one is electronic data interchange or EDI. EDI is the exchange of business data using an understood data format. It predates today's internet. Electronic data interchange or EDI involves data exchange among parties that know each other well and make arrangements for one-to-one or point-to-point connection, usually a dial-up. Electronic data interchange or EDI is expected to be replaced by one or more standard XML formats such as EBXML. EDI is the electronic data exchange of business documents for industries, eliminating paper trails and improving efficiencies. EDI is the computer-to-computer exchange of businesses document in a standard electronic format between business partners. Next one is email, fax, and internet telephony. E-commerce is also conducted through the more limited electronic forms of communication called email or fax, and the emerging use of telephone calls over the internet. Most of these business to business with some companies attempting to use email and fax for ads, usually viewed as online junk mail or spam to consumers and other businesses prospects. An increasing number of business websites offer email newsletters for subscribers. A new trend is option in email in which web users voluntarily sign up to receive email, usually sponsored or containing ads about product categories or other subjects they are interested in. E-commerce is also conducted through the more limited electronic forms. Next one is businesses to business, buying and selling. Thousands of companies that sell products to other companies have discovered that web provide not only a 24-hour a day showcase for their products, but a quick way to reach the right people in a company for more information. Next one is the security of business transaction. Security includes authenticating businesses transactions, controlling access to resources such as web pages for registered or selected users, encrypting communications, and in general ensuring the privacy and effectiveness of transactions. Among the most widely used security technologies is the Secure Socket Layer or SSL, which is built into both of the leading web browsers. E-commerce has been facing certain problems which endanger the security and safety of business transactions. The Secure Electronic Transaction or ACT protocol, ACT was developed by Visa, MasterCard and other companies to facilitate secure electronic commerce transactions and provide confidentiality of payment card information, data integrity, authentication of both merchant and card holder, and authorization of transactions. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.